One scheme that will earn you a fixed income every month, that too without any sort of risk. Sounds good, right? But you must be thinking, what is it? Hello and welcome to Bosswala English. I am Tanisha Sharma and today we are going to talk about a brilliant government scheme. The Post Office Monthly Income Scheme 2025, where you invest your money once but you get interest every month. That too with guarantee. Watch the full video to get all the complete details, how to apply, how exactly do you get the interest, how much money do you have to pay, and everything that you need to know before investing in Post Office Scheme 2025. So let's start with understanding what exactly is Monthly Income Scheme 2025 is. So the Post Office Monthly Income Scheme is a savings scheme where you invest a lump sum amount of money and get interest every month. So the tenure for your investment is 5 years. That is the lock-in period. That means after 5 years only you will be able to take out your money. You can take out your money before also, but that will charge penalty. And the interest per annum is 7.4%. And the payouts are done on monthly basis. Every month you will get the interest directly into your bank account. Now, how much investment can an individual do? So, one can invest 9 lakh rupees maximum. But if you have a joint account, then you can invest 15 lakh rupees maximum. But who can open an account? So, anyone who's above the age of 10 can open a monthly income scheme account. And for children who are below 10, a parent guardian is required. But NRI, non-resident Indians are not eligible to apply for this scheme. Now this thought comes to people that if we invest our money, suppose we invest 3 lakh rupees for 5 years, now the money is locked. What if we need it badly? Then what can we do? So in that situation, you can definitely withdraw your money, but no withdrawals are allowed before 1 year. The first year you cannot withdraw any amount. And if you withdraw money between first year of investment to third year of investment, then you will have to pay 2% of penalty. And if you take your money out from the third year to fifth year of your lock-in period, then you will have to pay 1% of penalty. So you can definitely take your money out, but then you will have to pay penalty, and on the first year you cannot withdraw any money. Only the interest you will receive on your bank account every month. So if you are planning to apply for this scheme, you should keep this in mind that you should be mentally prepared for the 5 years of lock-in period of your money. Now let's talk about the interest. Like if you invest a certain amount of money, how much interest rate are you going to get back? So if you invest 1 lakh rupees, then you will have approx 617 rupees monthly as your interest that will be credited to your bank account. If you invest 5 lakh rupees, then you will have approx 3083 rupees monthly. And if you invest 9 lakh rupees, that is the maximum amount you can invest, you will have 5553 rupees monthly as your interest. Also, you can start investing with just 1000 rupees, and for that as well, you will be getting your interest, and that will be 6 rupees monthly. You can also use monthly income scheme calculator to better understand that if you invest this much of amount, how much interest are you going to get back, and that will help you to plan your investments. Now a lot of people have this question as well, that what about the tax, what about the bank requirements? Well, don't worry, because the interest rate will be directly credited to your post office savings account only. Make sure you have one, and there is no TDS deduction. Yes, MIS is not subject to TDS, which means that you are going to receive the full interest amount directly to your bank and you don't have to pay any sort of tax. Now this post office monthly income scheme kinda sounds like FD, fixed deposits, but it is not exactly same. Let's differentiate them and understand what are the differences. So the first difference is that in FD, the interest amount is paid at maturity, but in MIS, the interest amount is paid monthly. Second, FD, fixed deposit interest rates are taxable, but MIS interest isn't. Third, FD interest rates vary. They can go low during inflation. But MIS offers a locked in rate. So there is no fluctuation in the interest rates. So if you are someone who is retired and looking for a source of income, then MIS could be a better option for you compared to FD. So now let's also see the benefits and the points to remember about MIS. So the benefits are, it is safe and government backed. It has fixed monthly income. It doesn't have any sort of TDS on interest and better returns than many savings options. Well, these are the benefits, but keep these things in mind as well. Funds are locked for 5 years and only Indian residents can invest. And also you must have a post office savings account. So these are the things that you should keep in mind before investing your money. And also, as I said, you can use the MIS calculator to better understand how much money you should invest according to the interest returns you are expecting. So well, this is everything that you need to know about Post Office Monthly Income Scheme 2025. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you liked it. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bosswala English. I will see you next time. And also, if you want to learn how to grow your money and how to make more money, download Bosswala app now, which helps you learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through one-on-one video calls or video courses. Also, they help you with the strategies and tools to grow, operate and start your business. So download Bosswala app now. Thank you so much for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.